Presentation. This is Majrul Islam with you. Dear learners, especially I would like to invite you for reading English article from the English newspaper that will help you to develop your reading skills. Today I have been selected nice topic for you from the Daily Star. 73% people don't read newspapers. That is very miracle. Why? Now I'm going to read in details that information collected from finds BBS survey. Staff correspondent, newspapers are losing their appeal across the country with more readers choosing mobile phone as the preferred device for reading news nowadays, according to a Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics. That's mean BBC study. Again, Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics study. According to the findings released yesterday, 26.96% of respondents said that they read newspaper. Of them, about 59.28% read news on mobile phones, while 37.61% prefer print newspapers. Only around 2.54% access online versions of newspaper on desktop, computer, laptop or tablets. The BBS survey, the first of its kind the country, was carried out by Media Reform Commission between January 1st and 7. The survey was conducted across 64 districts involving the participation of members 45,000 household aged 10 and above. According to its findings, 73.04% of respondents don't read newspaper, with 46% saying they don't feel it necessary. On the other hand, 65.42% of the people watch television. Among the 34.58% who don't, and 53.58% said they don't find it necessary. During a national disaster or crisis, 35.17% of the people first look for updates on news channels on television, followed by 28.04% who turn to social media and 24.48% who ask a trustworthy person. The survey also found that 31.36% of respondents considered Facebook the most trustworthy social media platform for news. The 70 survey was conducted across 64 districts involving the participation of the members of 45,000 household aged 10 and above. Meanwhile, the survey said that independence, neutrality, and freedom from government and political influence are the top aspects that people mostly expect from the country mass media. Of the respondents, 15.31% said mass media in the country is not free at all, while 23.64% said it is partially free, 24.18% said it is largely free, and 17.29% believe it is fully free. Among the 6,849 respondents who believes that mass media is not free at all, 79.46% cited political interference as the main reason for updates. Reasons for updates on news channels, followed by the government interference at 71.50% and influenced by powerful individuals at 50.14%. Nationally, 67% of people expect mass media to be independent, 60% expect media neutrally or impartially, 37.39% want media to be free from political influence, and 32.68% expect mass media to be free from government influence. Among other expectation, 17.26% of respondents want to objective journalism, while 30.57% want media to fulfill common people's expectation. Additionally, 16.16% believe the media should be free from yellow journalism. 9.31% said media should be free from business influence. 9.58% want media to be independent from financial influence. A little over 1% of people were unwilling to give any opinion on how they want to see mass media. Most of the people think state-owned Bangladesh Television and Bangladesh Betar should be operated under stewardship of the government. Over 56% of the people believe Bangladesh Television should be operated under government control, while 55.35% said the same of Bangladesh Betar. In the case of radio, 93.93% respondents say that they don't listen to the radio, with 54.07% saying that they don't find it necessary. I think that time has changed, and people loves to take new concept, new things, and most of the people they depend on social media. It's mostly reason it's available. People don't try to read newspaper and from buying the newspaper shop, and it's unnecessary things, and it's very disgusting for them. This is my opinion. So it should be carried out. That's when newspaper must be carried out independent, and they try to be free from yellow journalism. They must publish reliable news and dependable news. Okay, thank you very much for listening me.